Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 7 of your science book Adaptation in Plants. So, what does this mean? Let's know more about this chapter. The whole chapter is divided in 3 videos. The first video consists of terrestrial plants, the second video consists of aquatic plants, and in the third video we will learn more about the grass family and some other interesting facts about plants. There are some new words which you should know, like habitat, adaptations, terrestrial plants. Let's learn each word properly. We all know plants grow almost everywhere on the earth. Different plants grow at different places and they look entirely different from each other. They grow in hot deserts or mountains or marshy areas. So, the place where a plant grows or an animal lives naturally is called its habitat. Okay? Whereas the changes which help a plant to survive in its habitat are called adaptations. Now let's understand this with the help of an example. Here we have two different types of plants. One is the lotus and other is a mango tree. Now, what is the habitat of a lotus plant? Yes, it always grows in water. Whereas mango tree, it always grows on plains. So water is the habitat of a lotus plant and plains are the habitat for a mango tree. Okay, see, both the plants look entirely different from each other. Why is it so? Because of their adaptive features. Types of plants. Plants are of two types, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants means the plant which grow on land and aquatic means the plants which grow in water. Terrestrial plants are the plants that grow on land. Now, how many terrestrial places we have? Let's see the terrestrial habitat. It can be plains, deserts, mountains, marshy areas, coastal areas or rainforest. Now we will learn about each. Plants in plains. The weather in plains are very hot in summer and very cold in winter. So trees like gulmohar, banyan, neem, etc. grow well on plains. Their adaptive features, they have lot of branches. They can bear the heat of summer but shed their leaves in autumn. These trees grow new leaves in the spring. Plants in deserts. In deserts, the weather is too hot and dry. So plants like cactus, date palm and babool are seen often in deserts. What are the adaptive features? As we know, the leaves are reduced to spines so that they should not lose water. The thick green and fleshy stem of cactus does the photosynthesis and prepares food and stores water because there is scarcity of water in deserts. Plants on mountains. In mountains, the weather is very cold and in some places we even have snowfall. So the trees in mountains look like this. They are conical in shape. The leaves are thin. Why is it so? So that they can slide off the snow which is falling on them. In place of fruits, they have cones. These cones also have seeds. These are the cones which grow in mountains plant. So, cedars, pines, spruce and fir are some of the examples of the trees which grow on mountains. Happy learning!